Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Monzo Flex credit card and what makes it different. Let's get started. Monzo Flex is a flexible credit option built right into the Monzo banking app. It lets you borrow money instantly and repay it on your own terms, and you only pay interest on what you actually use. To start, just open your Monzo app, tap Flex, and go through the quick application process. Once approved, you'll see your available credit limit and can start using it for purchases, either online or in store. You can split payments into 3, 6, or 12-month plans depending on what works for you. There are no earlier payment fees, so you can pay it off anytime, plus everything is clearly shown in the app. Interest rates, repayments, and spending insights. The only thing to watch out for is that your credit limit might be lower at first, and your interest rates can vary depending on your credit score. And that's it. That's how to use Monzo Flex for flexible, easy credit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides.